key to an incredible spread at Christmas time isn't just that roast, the hero in the center, it's also about all the delicious sides. So I'm sharing one of my favorites today. This is my smoked beetroot creme fraiche salad. Not only is this dish easy to prepare, you can prepare it in advance, it tastes wonderful, but it also looks really festive too. So let's get started. I always believe that the key to delicious sides is using seasonal ingredients. So we're using the humble beetroot, transforming it from raw, woody to sweet, silky, smoky, and incredible. I've already cleaned these guys up, but if you buy them in a bunch, just top and tail them, give them a quick scrub underwater, and then these are ready to throw on. First, what we need to do is smoke these beauties on the barbecue. To set up our Weber queue for indirect cooking, we can add our convection tray and trivet. We're also setting up our queue with our Weber queue smoker boxes and using some delicious cherry wood chips. Be sure to soak them in water first so you get that beautiful smouldering smoke. Now we can light the barbecue and leave it to preheat on high for about 20 minutes or until it's smoking. I really love using the Weber Q smoker boxes. First, once you've nailed barbecuing, you might want to start playing around with some extra flavors like smoking woods, and these are a brilliant way to smoke roasts, amazing pieces of salmon. We've got a smoked nut recipe coming, but smoked vegetables are incredible too. As soon as the barbecue is preheated and there is smoke visible from the smoker boxes, we can add our beetroot straight onto the trivet. We'll let these roast away in that beautiful smoke for half an hour. Just be sure to turn the barbecue down to the roasting setting. After 30 minutes, our beetroots have taken on that beautiful smoky flavour. So now we just wrap them in foil so that they'll steam, cooking the whole way through, and they'll become silky, sweet and tender. We'll leave them to cook here for another 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the size of the beetroots. I can smell all of these wonderful flavours, the sweetness of the beetroot, that smoke is still lingering in there. I'm ready to check these out. Let's see if they're done. There's so much you can do with your smoked beetroots. Maybe make a relish or a dip, or I even just love the classic beetroot ghost cheese pecan salad. But today I'm making a creme fraiche dressing. So to make that, all I need to do is go in with some creme fraiche. It's like sour cream mixed with Greek yogurt kind of. It's just not as sour, so it's really good for this. Next, I'm sneaking in a little garlic. Just a small finely chopped clove of garlic. In that goes. And then horseradish. So I know a lot of you horseradish haters are gonna think, oh, gross, but it actually adds a really nice hum to this dressing. Really nice warmth and flavor, so we'll put that in. I think it goes so well with beetroot too. The next ingredient is some dill, and we'll just finely chop that up. This dill was gifted to me on the weekend, so that is perfect timing. And then all this needs is a little season with salt and pepper. Quick little stir, and then the essential taste to see if we need to adjust anything. That is perfect. I can taste everything that I've added there, and this is going to go so nice with those beetroots. These have just cooled enough so I can handle them. We're going to peel them and then slice them up into rough cubes. Don't these look stunning? Like little gems. We'll just slice them up. And then I'll pop them in my bowl and leave them to cool completely down. We almost want them chilled, they'll taste better. This is one of the things that I love about this recipe, is that you can prepare these elements in advance and then bring it together last minute. So we've smoked our beetroots, you could do that up to 3 days before, even make this dressing the day before. As soon as you see all these colours come together, it really becomes a show-stopping dish, really comes alive just like Christmas. We want to use this beetroot's vibrant hue to its max potential. So I'm only going in with a little bit of the dressing. It's going to stain with that beetroot, turn a beautiful pink. We'll pour it out onto the dish here without even stirring it, because you'll see those colours come together while we still have that deep ruby beetroot showing through. Last one, perfect. And then I like to dollop small amounts of this creme fraiche dressing, just in little pockets, so you get those bursts of flavour. So the next ingredient that I'm going in with is just some red onion, and this will add some nice sharp pepperiness to it. And just roughly sprinkle that over. Perfect. And then just some little sprigs of this dill. Look at that pop. That green looks stunning against the bright, vibrant purple. And then the last ingredient to bring this together is just some finely zested lemon all over. I can imagine this dish going so nicely with seafood, pork, turkey, all of our favorite foods that we like to have at Christmas. Perfect, look at that, absolutely stunning. Who would have thought something so pretty could come off of a barbecue? I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy feasting on all that wonderful food.